Hi everyone, my name is Christine with OxygenFarm Quilts, and I would like to thank you for joining me today. Please follow along as I show you how I made this upcycled table runner. Here we go. Alrighty, so I've made a bunch of Americana 4th of July red, white, and blue table runners, and these are my scraps. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew these pieces together and make scrap fabric. This is going to be fun. Okay, to start off, what I like to do is find some small pieces like these triangles here. And then I will just take a small piece of fabric like this and sew down the side. I'm not worried about keeping a perfect 1/4 inch. I have a 1/4 inch foot on here, so it kind of does it for me anyway. But this gets to be like, I get so excited doing this, you guys. It's so weird, but it's like being able to give this fabric purpose, you know. It just, oh, I get so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to take this strip here. Take this triangle, see it's got like little bits and pieces on it. I don't care. I'm just gonna sew this triangle to it. Not even being particular. And then like, oh, here's a wonky piece. Let's sew this on here. And then I will just keep going. I'm gonna get some of these built up. Ooh, look at this, a half square triangle. Ooh, that might be a good size to save. That we'll save for something else. See, you just never know what gets thrown into the scrap bin. Ooh, okay. Okay, so typically I just sew, make like 10 different sets and then come back and do this part. But I thought for this video, I am going to go ahead and just start off with this one and show you what it's like to do from start to finish. So I started with the triangle with this blue fabric. I have a smaller cutting mat and just a standard ruler and my rotary cutter. And I am just going to keep making this particular one into scrap crumb piece fabric. And I'll show you the process that I go through. Okay, so here is my finished crumb block, and I have decided I want these to finish at 6 inches. So as I'm making it, I just make sure that I can reach 6 inches, and I will be able to do that. So out of everything that I did here, this is what remains. So there's just some selvages that can't be used. That is just waste. So here I'm gonna cut this at 6 inches. And I also want to make sure, excuse me, that I'm gonna have enough. I'll save this piece as well. So I'm just gonna cut across here. Use that. There we go. And something I didn't mention earlier is that in making crumb pieces, since we are dealing with smaller pieces, you want to set your stitch length probably down to a 2. A standard, I think, is 2.5. And so I go down to a 2 just because these are going to be cut up into small pieces. You want to make sure that whatever you make, it's going to be good quality and last. So here's a little piece. Some people may save that, but I think with this, it's not going to be much. So I probably won't save that. This, save that. That won't fit. And I won't save that. Close my blade. So here's my finished block. Now you can iron in between each one. I just do what's called finger pressing. And so probably what I should have done is iron this before I cut it, but it's totally okay. So cute. So yeah, keep scrap fabric out of landfills. I hope this video has inspired you to keep those scrap pieces of fabric and put them into something beautiful for a project for yourself or for someone you love. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.